The moon and the stars were shining bright. A storm coming, the trees come down. I tell you boys, I was waterbound on a stranger's shore. The river rising to my door. It carried my home to the field below. I'm waterbound, nowhere to go. Carved my name on an old barn wall, but no one would know I was there at all. The stable's dry on a winter's night. You turn your head, you can see the light. A black cat crawling on an old boxcar, a rusty door and a falling star. Ain't got a dime in my nation's side. I'm waterbound and I can't get back. I'm gone and I won't be back. If you don't believe me, count my tracks. The river's long and the river's wide. I'll meet you boys on the other side. So say my